Good morning, student. I am O.V. Ashish Kamble, the Assistant Professor of Electronics from Computer Science Department. Welcome to our e-learning platform. In a previous video, we discussed the Python variables, Python data types, and flow control structure of a Python. Now, in this video, we discuss about functions in a Python. Function is a block of code which only runs when it is called. That means when we call the function, then and then the function is executed. Functions are important as they can process data and can call be as when required in a main program. The data can be passed with known parameter into a functions. A functions can be returned data as a result. A function is a block of organized, reusable code that is used to perform a single action. Functions provide better modularity for the applications and high degree code resolving. The function block began with the keyword def followed by the function name and parenthesis. The code block of each function start with the colon and it is intended. In this function we discuss in Python, a function is a group of related statements that perform a specific task. That means the functions are used to perform a specific task which is related to the statement. Function helps break our program into a smaller module and chunks. As our program grows large and large, function make it more organized and manageable. That means if our program is making longer and longer, then the function make that break that program into a smaller modules or a smaller chunks to perform or organize and manage our program. Furthermore, it avoids repetition and makes the code reusable. That means by using a function, we avoid the repetition of our similar code, as well as this code make a reusable in the program. The syntax for function is given below. The def function, then name of the function, and in bracket the parameters are given after a colon, then the string and last statement. Then we go for a return expansion. The function consists of def which marks the start of function. Here the def means it is a start of our function. Then after that we gives a function name. After that the parameters are given. Parameters are argument also, through which value can pass to the function. A body of function or a block of statement, a column to mark end of function, and optional return statement to return a value from the function. That means this column says that there is a starting of our function body, and this is the our function body up to the return statement. At the return statement we shows that the value from the return statement which shows the return value from the function. This is about syntax of function. Now types of function. Basically we can divide function into two following types. First, built-in function, and second, user-defined function. What is mean by built-in function? The built-in function means a function that are built into a Python, and user-defined function, that means functions defined by the user themselves at the time of programming. Built-in functions are already available in a Python, and user-defined functions are the users which define that function at the time of program. Next, advantages of function. Write once and use it as many times as you need. This is the main advantages of function, that we write the function in a program at the once and use that function many times as we require or as we need. This provides code reusability. Function facilities easy of code maintenance. Divide large tasks into many small tasks so it will help you to debug the code. You can remove or add new features to the function anytime. These are the advantages of function. Next, before going to the function calling, we have to discuss function definition. How we define a function in a program. Then here we can define a function using def keyword. The def keyword shows that this is the starting of our function. Then keyboard follows by the function name with the parenthesis. Def is start with the keyword. Function is start with the keyword def and which provide the function name and parenthesis followed that keyword. This is also called as creating a function, writing a function, or defining a function. We simply called as creating function, writing function, and defining function. Syntax for function define is given below. Def, it is our starting of function. Then function name, after that colon, parenthesis is given, and after that colon is given. Then local variable, block of statement, and return statement. The local variable, block and statement and return are the body of function. Next we wanna see another example of function definition syntax is define function name. Then we use parameters 1, 2 and so on. After that again local variable, block statement and return expression. These are the body. Here need to maintain a proper indentation. This is the main note for you. When we define any type of function, we have to maintain proper indentation. This is the example of function. Here we understand which word is used for which type. The def is used or def is represent starting of function definition. Here the def keyword shows that or represent that it is a starting of our function definition. After that we see here add. It is the name of function. Add is nothing but name of our function. After that the parentheses describe. These are the parentheses which shows or describe this is a function, not a variable or any other object. Parenthesis shows that or describes that it is a function, and in parenthesis we use a parameters. This is the y is the parameters. After that the colon is described here, which shows or the column is describe beginning of function body. That means from here we know that our function body is started. Now here x is equal to 10 is the local variable and c is equal to x plus y, as well as print c is the statement, and from local variable to statement this is our function body. This is the one example of function. To understand next calling of function. After the defining of function we have to make calling of function. Before calling, the function cannot be described or cannot be used. When we define any type of function, then we have to call that function in our program, then and then that function is executed. A function runs only when we call it. A function cannot run on its own. Syntax for function calling is function, then name after the parenthesis, and then function. After the name of function we give in parenthesis the parameters or the arguments. Here one example is given. here we see that add and parenthesis and in parameter 20 the value of parameters is changed 10.56. then item is gig shows. For any example, if we gives a is equal to 10, then this is our function, one type of function, and we have to call that function. Then we simply say that add a. This is the calling of our function. Next, how function is worked. Here the def is nothing but starting of our function definition. Add is nothing but function name. These are the parentheses. These columns shows that our function body is get start. X is equal to 10 and x is equal to 20 are the local variables. X is equal to c is equal to x plus y and print c are the statement, and these whole are the our function body. And after the definition or after the defining the function, we have to call that function. So here by giving add and parentheses we call these function here. After the calling of this function, then this function is get started or get executed. Then it go execute x is equal to 10, after that y is equal to 20, and then perform this addition and print the result of c. Similarly, we take another example. Here we define def add the function as a def, then gives the function name add, then gives a parenthesis and gives a parameter y, and after the colon the function body is get started. X is equal to 10. Here c is equal to, here we have to print c, and the formula for c is equal to x plus y. What is the value of x here? 10. What is the value of y here? Here we gives the argument here. The calling at the calling of the function, at the time of calling of function, we gives here the argument, which shows that the value of y is 20. Value of y is 20. So at the time of calling function, here the value of y is taken as 20. So the value of c or the result which shows in our screen, which is nothing but 30. 20 plus 10, which is nothing but 30. The parameter y do not know which type of value they are about to receive till the value is passed. Up to the value passed or a value call or a function call, y do not know which type of value or which value is they receive about the time of program. At the time of calling the function, then only the parameter y received the value of argument. It means the type of data is determined only during runtime, not at compile. This is called as dynamic typing. This is about a function. We here discuss what is a function, syntax for function, advantages, types of function, after that defining the function, then calling the function, and then how the function is works. Thank you.